Good evening to all. Today we are going to discuss about the Euler head of centrifugal compressor. So let's begin the discussion for derivation part of Euler head. This is a inlet velocity triangle shown on the right side where C1 is a inlet mean absolute velocity, V1 is the inlet mean relative velocity, U1 is inlet mean imperative velocity, and in C1 has two components. One is tangential component, that is CW1, and one is axial, that is CA1. Now from this triangle it is very clear that if you see this triangle, this portion triangle, CA1 is equal to C1 square minus CW1 square. This is clear. And also on other side of triangle, if you see CA1 square is equal to V1 square minus this portion, that means U1 minus CW1 is this portion to the square. So both are same, so we can write C1 square minus CW1 square is equal to this, that is V1 square minus U1 minus CW1 C1 minus CW2 is to the power 2. Now further we can write C1 square minus CW1 square is equal to V1 square minus bracket start U1 square plus C1 is CW1 square minus 2 U1 CW1. So on further simplification, C1 square minus CW1 square is equal to V1 square minus UN square minus CW1 square plus 2 U1 into CW1. So we can write U1 CW1 is equal to half into bracket start C1 square plus UN square minus VN square bracket close. This is equation number 1. Now let's see the outlet velocity triangle, that is V2 is outlet relative velocity, C2 is outlet absolute velocity, and it has two components, that is CA2, that is outlet axial velocity, and CW2 is outlet whirl velocity, and U2 is the outlet tip velocity. So again, if you look at this side, this triangle, this triangle, CA2 square is equal to C2 square minus CW2 square. Also, if you look at this side triangle, CA2 square is equal to V square minus this portion, that is U2 minus CW2 square. So on further simplification, we can say that U2 into CW2 is equal to half into C2 square plus U2 square minus V2 square bracket close. That is equation number 2. So subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we can write U2 CW2 minus U1 CW1 is equal to half into bracket start C2 square minus C1 square bracket close plus again a square bracket start U2 square minus U1 square bracket close plus V1 square minus V2 square bracket close. So Euler head of total energy transfer, this much, can be now expressed as V2 U2 into CW2 minus U1 into CW1. This is total head which is consumed by compression. So Euler head can be written as, what are these terminology? Kinetic energy is half into C2 square minus C1 square. Centrifugal energy is half into U2 square minus U1 square, and diffusion energy is half into V1 square minus V2 square. So note that the Euler head is equal to enthalpy change for compression. So I'm sure you have enjoyed the derivation part. Thank you for